Dude, we gotta get some great fireworks this year.
Yeah, I hope we don't start a fire though.
Nah, we're cool. People are gonna love this.
Totally worth it. It's a Darwin Award anyway.
Humans are fascinated by fireworks, the color and the sound and the power. So why is it that in Oregon some are legal and then others are totally illegal? Did you know that even the tip of a sparkler can reach 3,000 degrees? Why are some people determined to risk fines, gruesome injury, and the wrath of their neighbors and communities just to shoot off illegal fireworks? Let's do the math. Fireworks ignite 18,500 fires annually, including 1,300 structure fires, 300 vehicle fires, and nearly 17,000 outside wildland-style fires.
It only takes one careless ignition to devastate and wipe out a community. The Central Oregon Fire Chiefs Association wants to remind you to have a great and really safe 4th of July to celebrate the birth of our nation. We want you to have a great time out there and not have to call us for one of these for any fire suppression, and certainly not in one of these for personal injury. Thanks again. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe.